Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to HHS Online. I hope you all are doing well. It's so good to be back at teaching. Before today's lesson, I want you to think about a few things. Have you ever wondered why do we celebrate certain holidays? Why there are different styles of dressing for different religions? Why do artists create artworks and why every artwork is different in separate part of the world? Because all of these things combined make the culture of any nation that represent its people, mode of living, religion, and every other aspect of life. It also helps people to better understand their past. Art is a way of portraying the culture. For thousands of years, it has been used as nations share their achievements, history with the upcoming generations. Every great nation enjoys its own culture, and today we are going to learn about the ancient Japanese notan art. What is a notan? Notan is a term used by the Japanese to express light and dark harmony as an element of design. It is also an art form involving paper cutting and positive and negative shapes. The Japanese artists begin with black and white paper and cut out shapes and lines to create a unique design. The Eastern culture from which the notan arose seeks a more balanced view of world. The classic yin and yang symbol is a reflection of this desire for balance. The artistic principle of notan involves the interaction and balance of light and dark areas in an artwork. We use other words like positive and negative space or contrast to explain notan. Positive space is the area inside an object. Negative space is the area outside an object. Contrast, as used in art, is the arrangement of opposite elements like light and dark, small and large shapes, and smooth and rough textures. In order to create an eye-catching and beautiful artwork, both the object and its background are equally important. In a composition, both its shape and background are equally important. Artists use different elements and principle of art to create eye-catching artwork. Principle and element of art that are used in creating successful notan are balance, shape, value, and space. Balance is organizing the elements in a work of art to distribute their visual weight pleasingly. Shape is a flat enclosed area that has two dimensions. Artists use both geometrical and organic shapes. Space is the area above, below, between, within and around the main objects in a piece of art, present in 2D and 3D work of art. Dear students, let me now show you how to create notan design by using collage work technique. The material that you need to make a notan collage are black A4 sheet, glue stick, scissor, pencil and eraser, ruler, a Ziploc bag or any container in which you can put your cutouts. The first step that you are going to do is cut out a 6 by 6 inch square from the black A4 sheet. You should use a ruler so that your square is as perfect as possible. After cutting the square, what you are going to do is fold your paper in half and again in half. Now you have folded lines to guide you in making your pattern. Like I have drawn over here, lightly draw your designs on your paper. You can use any design. You can make any design like abstract, geometric or natural patterns. I would suggest that you draw simple patterns so that they are easier for you to cut. You have to cut all the lines that you draw. Please keep in mind that you should not go past the guided lines that you have made by the folding of papers. Try to draw simpler shapes so that they are easier for you to cut. The size of your square should also depend on the size of your art book, because we will be flipping the cutouts, so make sure everything fits on your page. Start cutting your shapes from the sides of the square, and make sure you don't go past the center of the paper with any cutting of your designs. Try to cut your designs as neatly as possible. Work slowly through your designs. Don't go past over the folded lines. Now you can see how I have cut my designs. It's already begun to look like a Norton. You can always put them back together to see how you have done cutting and place them according to your square. Okay? It's not necessary to put all the cutouts outside of the square. You are going to paste them in the opposite direction of your cutting. One thing you can do before putting them in your Ziploc bag is you can mark your squares and your cutouts. Like I am going to mark this as my number 1 and also the cutout number 1. The other one is 2, and all the other pieces from that cutout from that square will be number 2. So that you don't get confused when you are putting them back together. Okay? Put all your cutouts in the Ziploc bag and don't throw anything away. We are going to need all of the pieces, small or big. After cutting and putting all this in the Ziploc bag, and glue down the main base in the middle of your background, either straight or diagonal. Cut shape back into the square. Take your time and place all the small and large shapes back neatly together, so that when you are going to put them together back, you don't get confused. And flip shapes and glue it down in the mirror image from where it was cut. The basic idea is to cut out the piece, flip it out so that it mirrors the cutout space. So there is my Nortan art. You can make it as simple or as complicated as you like, but it's really fun to do. You can play around with lot of different ideas. Give it a go and see what you can come up with. I hope you find this interesting and resourceful. You are free to ask any questions. Just post them in your Google Classroom. Take care. Allah Hafiz.